Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Replit Agent. So step 1, create a Replit account. If you don't have one yet, you can go ahead to replit.com and sign up. It's completely free. And then step 2, start a new rep or app. Click the plus or create button and then choose your preferred language such as Python. And this is where the Replit Agent will help you. Step 3. Access the Replit AI agent. On the right hand side, you will see an Ask or AI tab, and this is the Replit AI agent. You can now click on it and you can begin asking for coding help, debugging, or code generation. Step 4. Use prompts for free. Simply type your question like write a Python function for a calculator or fix this error, and then the agent will respond instantly. You will get a limited number of free queries per day. Step 5. Boost free credits with daily use. To extend your usage without paying, you can log in daily to receive a strict bonuses. Replit may offer additional free AI credits based on engagement. Step 6. Use community threads. If you run out of AI credits, you can use the Community Ask tab to post your question. Often, community members and mods assist you with solutions, and that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.